Hey guys, Happy Dude here, and I'm going to show you how do you reset your service on your BMW. Now, with an older model, you press and hold the BC button, but with a newer model, you use this button to reset the kilometers or miles. Alright, first, turn on the ignition by pressing the start button without pressing the pedals. Wait until all the messages are cleared up. If you have error messages, first clear them out in the iDrive and then press and hold the reset button. It takes a while. Alright, and now you can scroll in the menu by just tapping it once every time. As you can see. Now, for instance, if I want to reset the brakes, press and hold the button again. Then it asks reset. Then it asks you if you want to reset. Press and hold again. And keep holding it while it's resetting. Reset success. And that's it, you guys. Now, some things you can reset in the iDrive by going to my car status, go to the left and then choose service needs. And for instance, you can reset emission test or car check. Click it, and here you can change the date. So you cannot change that in the trip computer, but you can change it in the iDrive. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and maybe subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.